As a driver, how well do you know your lights? How the lights function? Do you know them very well or you don't know them? You have to know how the lights on your vehicle works or functions so that you can use them very well as a driver. If you don't know how to use them very well, then let's learn from this particular training.
Some people pass the driving test, but always turn on the wrong lights when driving. The car lighting function seems complicated, but it is actually very simple. Today I will tell you how to quickly remember the names of these lights. This little white dot is aligned with the circle. Represents all lights turned off. Aim at the cat. Represents with light. Aim at the jellyfish. Represents low beam. Push outward. High beam. Push inward 2 times. Overtaking lights. Push up. Right turn signal. Push down. Left turn signal. The octopus on the inside represents the fog lights. The upward octopus represents the rear fog light. The downward octopus represents the front fog lamp. Red triangle represents hazard warning lights. Have you learned it?